Getting some slime. Getting some slime. My grandma's with me, of course, and I'm with myself. We gotta get to the toys area so we can get this one. Ooh, it's so good in here, and it smells good as usual. Okay.
Excuse me. Y'all sell slime in here? They don't have a great big one. They don't have a great big one.
It's okay. These are almost for slime anyway. This is for slime anyway.
You can get one.
Oh. Glitter glue. Glitter slime glue.
Oh, we did need a cart. Pick that up.
Okay. Ugh.
Give me that.
Here you go.
Oh, shit. We did need a cart. Maybe they got the great big one over there.
Sure. Come on, guys. Let's go. We gotta go to the other one. What do you think? Okay,
Oh,
come
here it is.
Glue. More glue.
Yep, here it is, right here. much
The
is that?
big gallon.
Right.
Dang.
This is what I want.
Yay.
This right here
You got
adds
big
up to
gallon.
all of these. Yep. Put this back.
Okay. Put it right there.
All right.
What's
Now
right,
we got the glue. We got the shaving cream.
Now the
Food coloring.
yes.
With probably. Excuse me. Y'all sell food? Thank you.
We gotta go to the grocery.
Yep, that's straight ahead.
Straight ahead. Okay. Ooh, feel good. It's a little cold, but it's so good. Got short sleeves. So, yeah. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. That big gallon though. And Irma's glue, sparkly kind. Or
Alright.
we're gonna get the dye.
It would be to my this way. Okay, thank you. All right. That's some assistance. That's good. We don't usually get that when we come here.
Exactly. Okay, keep going, keep going. Oh my god. I'm coloring. There's a big old gallon.
Move down now. You move out of her way. Turn that phone off.
So we got the food coloring, we got the Irma's glue, and we got the big gallon of glue. So yeah, that's all we basically needed. For real, for real. Let's try to get
Oh, look what they got now.
what?
Right here.
Okay,
Pull my cart. Don't leave my cart.
sorry.
Stand right there. You see they got some more like yours?
I don't think so.
Nope. Nope, they got the black one like I got. And they don't have no more like yours. Nope.
That one's kind of like
look
mine,
at this
for
one.
2 shelves.
Look at this one. I can use that.
This one's kind of like mine, but 2.
Mm-hmm.
I mean that one.
Look at this one. Mm-hmm.
Checking out
They
stuff.
don't have no more like yours. I need
Is this a
something-
yoga mat?
Probably.
Yep. Wait, I think so.
Alright, come on.
Okay, let's go, guys. We're going.
Alright, I'm looking for something else.
We're going to my aunt's house so I can make the slime. I'll go live after I make the slime. I'll go live, I guess. So
Naya, I'm not trying to hear that matter.
yes, I'll go live. Oh God,
Where's the dishes?
the dishes. Yep, turn.
Look at these chairs.
What chairs? I know I was looking at these, but is this even a chair?
Sit in it.
I'm scared I'm gonna fall. Woo! Okay, this is
I like that.
This is
We
nice.
got one of them for your room.
this is nice.
That is nice.
Oh God, ooh, it feels good. Bouncy. That chair. Coming. Oh dang, Shelvin down there. Zoom in, zoom in. Oh, psycho. Oh, hello, camera. Like to see my outfit today? Wow, wow. Okay, let's go. All this stuff. What are we looking for? That look good. No joke. Ew, olives. Ooh, I could be drinking in this. Nice. Nice. Ooh, nice cups. Gotta go. I'm here. Okay, I'm back. And I'm gonna give it to you. Gonna be shining so bright. So bright. It's like, no. Ooh, I didn't eat breakfast this morning, so this must have been good. And I'm gonna keep it to my shoes. So bright, strawberry champagne on ice. Lucky for you, they what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. I got it. I got it, Grandma.
Yeah, I know, but you'll walk.
That was a nice ride.
Put one.
It looks like we're going in circles.
Here we go.
We was just here. Looks like we're going in circles.
We was, Naya. Come on.
Why? So we're checking out. Bye.
Move.
Delicious candy. If I eat all this candy, I'm gonna have tons of cavities. And well, yeah. Okay, so we're on our way.
Say what?
On our way to my auntie's house. My auntie's house. So I can make the slime.
I'm going over the side.
Where are we going? Oh yeah.
I'm not going that far.
We don't have a car, so we gotta take hacks.
Come on. Sit down.
Get inside.
Get over here and sit down.
Don't mind my grandma, because she likes yelling a lot. Yelling all the time and get so much energy. So, don't mind her at all. And if you saw little things about her talking in the video, don't mind that either. It was a mistake. So, bye guys. I'll go back to my house. Bye.
Not now. You just like